Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It's more of a smoky eye, but I feel like it's still kind of appropriate for summer. I don't know. But it's kind of a wet, glossy, dewy look, and I just really wanted to play with these new shadows from Dose of Colors. So if you want to see how I got this look and see what I think about these new Dose of Color shadows, then just keep on watching. I am going to go in with a crease color first. This is kind of optional, obviously, depending on what kind of look you are going for. I'm going to do something more smoky and not so polished today. So technically I don't have to go in with the crease color because I feel like I'm going to be bringing the shadows pretty high up, but I just feel like adding a little bit of a crease color today just in case. So I am going to go in with this is from the Colourpop and iluvsarahii collab. I'm just going to use this color, which I believe is Freckles, sorry. This is the Chic-ey Palette. You can use pretty much any neutral brown, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel like is going to look best. I'm just going to use this because I haven't in a hot minute. And I'm just taking that on a big fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M502. I'm going to take a Morphe R39, just a smaller blending brush, just to put this directly in the crease a little bit more. So today we are going to be using the Dose of Colors Block Party shadows. These are single shadows that Dose of Colors just recently launched, and you guys, these are gorgeous. They are so worth every penny. I want them all, seriously. I have 3 shades. X-Ray, which is this black with like silver flecks in it, and then I'm also going to be using Teal Me More today, which is this gorgeous teal shade. You guys, I've been dying to put this on my eyes. I've swatched these, and I'm going to insert pictures that I took outside so you can see them better, but I didn't put these two on my eyes yet. And then I got the other shade Encore, which I'm also going to insert pictures of. That one I've used a few times, and it's just so gorgeous just to throw on the lid. It's like a brown, super warm, I don't know, would you say terracotta? No, maybe not terracotta, but it has these gold flecks in it, and it's just so gorgeous to just throw on. But I highly recommend these from what I've used so far. I've only used that one shade, but it has just sold me. They're just the most intense glittery shadows. They look like wet on your eyes, which is what I love, and like I said, these are just worth every penny. So I'm going to be using these 2 shades today, the X-Ray and Teal Me More. Yeah, I don't know. I just saw when they launched the campaign, Anna, the owner of Dose of Colors, she just had these gorgeous visuals, and I just was so inspired. They just look so good, and let's just put them on our eyes right now. So these are meant to be used by going in with your finger, which is cool because it can't get much easier. Ugh, they just feel so nice. So I'm just going to pop this on. Are you seeing this? So what I like to do is just get a layer on first, and then I'll go back in with more and kind of tap it on. And that's when you're really going to start to see the shimmer even more. But you just got to get that first overall layer on. I'm just going to take a synthetic blending brush and kind of just buff the edges out. Like I said, I don't need it to be perfect. And I don't care if the glitters get all over, that's what I want. So pretty. Now I'm just going to go in and kind of tap over it, because that's when you're really going to start to see the glitter. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It literally just looks like a wet black shadow. Ugh, I die. I die. Now I'm going to go in with Teal Me More. I wasn't sure how I wanted to combine the two. Originally I was just going to stick it in the inner corner, but I think I'm going to like just bring it out. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see. Oh wow, that's so pretty. Wow, I want to wear black and blue shadow every day now. It's going to take a little bit of the NYX liquid black liner and just put this as close to my lash line as possible. I'm going to throw on some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. One of my OG faves. I am back on this. It's so good. I'm just going to go throw on a pair of lashes. I'm using the Queen Bee from Cocoa Lashes, and I will be right back. I actually ended up switching lashes and went in with the Christina Wispy lashes. I buy these off of Amazon. They're super cheap and come in, I think, a pack of 6. So I highly recommend these. These are super wispy and long. Sometimes I even trim them a little bit. I just felt like every other lash that I tried with this was just too much on my eyes. I can't get away with a lot of heavy lashes just because of my eye shape, and they just close them. So I normally have to go with the wispy lash anyway, but I didn't want to completely cover up the shadow with a thick lash. That's why I switched to these ones. So yeah. Now, while I was waiting for my lash glue to dry, I just added the Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer in the hydrating one, just because I like it to sit on my skin a little bit before I apply my foundation. And now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Clean Slate Smoothing Primer. I would have done this before too, but I forgot. I just like to use this where I have more pores, just to kind of smooth them out and fill them in. I just like to warm it up between my fingers first and then just tap it on. My poor nail hasn't grown back yet. Now for foundation today, I am going to go in with the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I was going to use a cream foundation today just because I want to look super dewy, but this is glowy too, so it'll do. I don't know why this is picking up more orangey on camera, but I swear it does not look like that in person. I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring, so I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. For concealer today, I'm going to take a mixture of the Tarte Shape Tape and the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I just like to put the Shape Tape like right here where I have more pores and kind of need to cover a little bit more, and then I do the rest with the Flower Beauty one. So right here. I'm going to do some slight baking today. I'm going to try to stay out of my cheek area just because I do want to use a cream blush today. But I'm going to bake under my eyes so that I can finish off the eyes without getting fallout all over my face. Use the RCMA no color powder. I just have it in this e.l.f. packaging because the RCMA packaging, it gets all over the place. I mean, it still kind of gets all over the place, but it's a little better to have something like this for the packaging. So there's a tip if you do own the RCMA no color powder and you're sick of it spilling all over. So we're going to finish off the eyes while our face is baking, just in case we do get fallout, we can just dust it away. I'm going to go back in with that freckle shade from the Colourpop and iluvsarahii palette and just put a little bit of that down first. Even though these work better with your fingertip, I am going to take a brush just because we are doing the lower lash line, and I'm just going to press X-ray down. I'm going to go in with Teal Me More, and I'm going to keep this on the inner part of the lower lash line. I'm not sure if I want to go in with a black liner on the waterline or a teal one, but I think I might try putting the teal also in the front and then going in with a black liner towards the back. I don't know. let's just try that. Actually, let's go in with the black liner first. This is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This is just their black one, but it really does stay on nicely. So I'm going to put this on my waterline first. I didn't put it all the way in the front. I left a little bit of space there. Now I'm going to go in with another Essence eyeliner. This is their gel eye pencil in the shade Blue Lagoon, but it's more of that teal shade. And I'm going to put this in the very front of the waterline. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with a cream blush. This is the RCMA Cheek Color. Look how tiny it is. It's so cute. But these RCMA creams go a long way because I know with their foundation, it's like, I think 90 or 99% pigment or something like that, where normal foundation is only in the, I think, 20 to 40, I don't remember, I can't remember right now, percent of pigment. So a little goes a long way with these. So yeah, I'm going to try this cream blush today. This is in the shade CTV. I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer. And for highlighter today, of course, I'm going to go in with the DESI X KATY Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter. I mean, I'm using Dose of Color, so I might as well. Love this highlighter. Just going to pop a little bit of this in the inner tear duct. I feel like there's a little space here, missing a little something. For lips today, I'm first going to go in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade London. Just added a little bit of the Colourpop BFF3 pencil just to darken the edges and kind of contour my lips a little bit because I am going to be going in with a nude lip today. I'm going to use the Dose of Color Let's Cuddle liquid lipstick. Let's see. If you're looking for an alternative, the Maybelline Matte Ink Superstay liquid lipsticks are a great alternative to a higher end liquid lip. These last on the lips all day long, and I just picked up this color the other day, Driver, and it's a perfect warm nude. If I didn't use this, I would have used this. So this is just another option, a great drugstore option. I just wanted to support Dose today, so that's why I went with this one. I'm also going to add a gloss, so I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors DESI and KATY gloss in Over the Top. Now, I don't think this is available anymore, but Dose of Colors just launched a few months ago a bunch of brand new glosses that are gorgeous, and they do have glittery ones kind of similar to this. Obviously, it's not the same shade, but very similar. Or you can go in, if you have it, or you can order it, the Colourpop Flutter Valley gloss. That one's super gorgeous. The Shayla gloss, that has a bunch of glitter in it too. So there's definitely a lot of alternatives to this one. We're looking wet. And now I'm just going to spray my face with some Fix Plus. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I just really love these Dose of Color shadows. I think they are worth every penny. If you have been thinking about picking one up, I definitely would at least just get one. Like I said, these are so easy to work with. You could just throw one on your lid and that can be your complete eye makeup look, because it's going to look like you put effort into your makeup even though you're just using one shadow, just because these are so beautiful on their own. And I love the color combination that I used today. I just think it's gorgeous. Like I said, I don't normally do dark smoky looks on myself, even though I love seeing them, just because I feel like, I don't know, they're just not flattering on me. But I really love this look and this color combo. But that is pretty much it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and hopefully I will see you in my next video.